Hi, I just thought I'd explain this in video. It's probably easier. This is our test site. So we don't use this. We've already got our own full site for our own marketing. But this is just where we store our sales funnels. So we've got three sales funnels. I'm going to be adding more in there, so there'll be more to do. But these are the two main ones to begin with. And then there's a third one, which will be the Circle of Love, which is a lot longer. So obviously we'd give you the codes to them, and we'd need you to load them into like this customer here, where it's been loaded in. I'll just show you what they look like. They're not complex. They're not difficult. We keep things pretty simple. I've been working with this stuff for the last 2 or 3 years. We're more working on the psychology. So just to let you know what the funnels look like, they're pretty simple. It's just basically subscribes to a form or a list. Notification goes out, tag is added, first email goes, waits a day, barbecue email gets sent out, which is an engagement email. Do they reply? Yes. Notify the person to check their emails to make sure they've seen it. Sends them back into the campaign. They carry on getting some more emails, and we step and repeat that process all the way through to the end. And then at the end there, which I haven't added yet, but they will go through to the Circle of Love, which is a long-term nurturing campaign. If they haven't signed up or booked a meeting by this stage, they go through to a long-term nurturing campaign, which I'll have built very, very soon. Obviously, we need to create lists. So I would need these lists set up, 10 curly questions, ask us a question, or all of these, except for this one here. We don't need that one done. But 1, 2, 3, those 4 lists would need to be created. Again, they're pretty simple. Oops. Should go back. Sorry. Pretty simple. You've seen that before. And then some forms would need to be created as well. We're creating 3 forms: how to increase profits, ask us a question, 10 must ask questions. We'll provide the logos and the colors and that for you, but you just need to create them. It's the same thing, same form for each person. So it's pretty stock standard stuff. I would give you an example and create each one here for you. First name, email, 10 curly questions. This is the stuff. So I'd give you access to the site so you'd see what the forms look like. And then I just get you to set up those 3 forms. Set up the 3 forms, create the lists, and create the automations. So for each customer accountant that signs up to our academy, they get coached through an academy, but then we give them these systems with these generic systems, then they get coached to build their own. Once you've done that and they've set up, you won't be required to go back in there and do any work with them, unless, of course, they need help, in which case we might actually put them in touch with you to do ongoing work, because we don't want to look after them ongoing. That's it. If you need any questions, let me know. We do work with lead pages as well. So obviously these will link in. They'll have landing pages with forms, but I can set that up. That's not a big issue. So I can do that on my end. It doesn't take long, unless you want to do that as well. Cheers. Thanks.